Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today, in this lecture, I will give you the concept of decimals. The first concept which I will give you, that is multiplication of decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000, and then division of decimals number by 10, 100, 1000. So, my dear students, let's begin with multiplication of decimals by 10, 100 and 1000. Let's take a decimal number which is 3.146. First we multiply it by 10, then this number we multiply by 100, and last we multiply it by 1000. Now first, when we multiply a decimal by 10, we shift the decimal point one place to the right. Like we have a number 3.146 multiply by 10. So we shift the decimal point one place to the right. So the answer will be 31.46. And when we multiply a decimal number by 100, so the decimal point shifts two places to the right. Like the number we have 3.146. So we move the decimal point, shift two places to the right, because we are multiplying it by 100. So the answer we will get 314.6. In third point, we have when we multiply a decimal number by 1000. So the decimal point shifts three places to the right. How? Like we have a number 3.146. So move the decimal point, shift the decimal point three places to the right. Why? Because we are multiplying it by 1000. So the answer we will get 3146. Here we have another example, multiplication of decimal by 10, 100 and 1000. In example number 2, the decimal number is 6.7281. Now first multiply it by 10. When we multiply any decimal number by 10, so move the decimal point one step to the right, because 10 has one zero. So the answer we will get 67.281. Now then similarly, when we multiply the decimal number 6.7281 by 100, so move the decimal point two steps to the right, because 100 has two zeros. So the answer we will get 672.81. Thus similarly we have 6.7281 again, and we are multiplying it by 1000. So thousands means we move the point three steps. How? We move this decimal point towards right from three steps, because 1000 has three zeros. So the answer we will get 6728.1. Let's divide the decimals by 10, 100 and 1000. So let's begin. Let's take a decimal number as an example, that is 32.16. When we divide a decimal by 10, we shift the decimal point one place to the left. Thus, 32.16 divided by 10. So, we have decimal point here and we divide it by 10. So, we shift the decimal point one place to the left. So, the answer we will get 3.216. Similarly, when we divide 32.16 by 100, so we shift the decimal point two places to the left. As there is no digit as left of the decimal point, so we put the 0 as a placeholder. So, and the answer we will get 0.3216. Similarly, when we will divide 32.16 by 1000, so we shift the decimal point three place to the left like this, 1, 2 and 3. But here as there were not enough digit to the left, so we have inserted two zeros in those places. So the answer we will get 0.03216. I repeat, when we divide a number 32.16 by 1000, so we move the decimal point three places to the left. When we move it towards left, so we don't have any digit. So when we don't have any digits, so we insert zeros here as a placeholder. Alright, my dear students, here we have example number 2 of division of decimals by 10, 100 and 1000. The decimal number we have 0.987 and we are dividing this decimal number by 10. When we divide a decimal by 10, so the decimal point moves one place towards the left like this. So when we move this decimal point one place towards the left, as there are no digits as left of the decimal point, so we put 0 as a placeholder. So the answer we have 0.0987. In another example, 3.46 is divided by 100. When we divide a decimal by 100, the decimal point moves two places towards the left. Now we move this decimal point two places towards the left. When we move to this decimal point towards the left, as there are no digit as left of the decimal point, so we put 20 as a place holder. Like when we divide 5.77 by 1000, so the decimal point moves three places towards the left. One place, two place, and then three place. So here as there were not enough digit to the left, so we have inserted three zeros in those places. So the answer we will get 0.00577. Alright, my dear students, I hope you understand the concept of multiplication and division of decimals by 10, 100 and 1000. So thank you so much. Take care of your good self. See you in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.